it's Jaden here from the blog Back Road Bloom, and today I wanted to show you how to make these really cute little gift baggies, cookie bags, so that you can gift friends and family cookies and treats for Christmas this year, or for any time of the year, of course. So these are really easy to make. It just takes about 15 minutes to sew one of these, and all you need is just basic sewing knowledge. It's super easy, very beginner friendly. And then when you're finished, we just tie them up. This is some dried oranges and dried grapefruit. I have a tutorial for this on my blog as well. For drying citrus, I will link that in the notes below too, if you're interested. And then you just tie it up with some ribbons, some cute garnishes, maybe a gift tag if you would like, and that's it.
So you're going to want to start out with 2 pieces of fabric, 7 inches by 24 inches, both of them 7 inches by 24 inches. Put your pieces of fabric right sides together, and we're going to sew both of the long sides and one of the short sides. Remember to do a back stitch at the beginning and the end of each stitch. Now you're going to turn your fabric inside out and stick your fingers in to push out the ends and the corners, and you can iron it at this point if you'd like. And now we're going to stitch this open end. Just do a top stitch, 1/4 inch hem right across here to close the entire thing. Now we're going to take that messier end that we just sewed and we're going to start pushing it inside of itself. So pull apart the sides and just start to push it in and wiggle it in, and use your hand to push it all the way to the other side to the corners. Try to make sure that the corners are pushed through very good and the seams are lined up. Now we're going to fold over the top open end a couple of inches to make a cuff. Once you have it cuffed, you can take it back over to your sewing machine, and we're just going to do a top stitch at the bottom of the cuff. So you're going to want to wrap it around your sewing machine so that you're just sewing the top and not all the way through your little sack to seal it. You're just sewing the cuff. Make sure that when you go to sew, the seams of your cuff are lined up with the seams of the rest of the bag. Now that your cookie bag is all finished, you're all done sewing, I'll show you how to stuff it with cookies. So I got these plastic bags on Amazon. I'll link them below. They're the perfect size to fit inside your fabric bag. They fit about 7 or 8 cookies, and they come with a twist tie to seal it so that they stay very fresh. So just stick your bag of cookies in, and then you're going to want to close the top with a string or a ribbon. I'll also link in the notes below this red and white string that I got. It's also on Amazon. And then I also added just a little adornment with some dried grapefruit and dried oranges and a little wooden bead. But you could do a little name tag or a gift tag, just a little something to make it cute and special. And that's it. There you have it. Cute little cookie goodie bags.
Okay guys, thank you so much for following along. That was so fun. I hope you're able to make some of these for friends and family this year. It's super easy and quick and fun and just a nice little special way to gift your favorite goodies. Please hit the like button if you like this and subscribe for more easy beginner sewing tutorials. Thank you and Merry Christmas.